Principles of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, as explained by me. Construction by Mitzi and Juan. The Constitutional Convention. Delegates from 12 states arrived in Philadelphia to revise the Articles of Confederation in May 25th of 1787 to create a new and better government. Debate over the ratification of the U.S. Constitution. The Constitution had been drafted, but it had to be approved by the people first. This sparked a massive debate between two major groups. The first were the Federalists. The Federalists were people in favor of ratification. This included people such as Alexander Hamilton and James Madison. The other group, the Anti-Federalists, opposed the Constitution. Eventually, the groups came to a compromise. Principles of government. Popular sovereignty. The power and final authority belongs to the people. Republicanism. People choose who governs them through the elections. Limited government. People choose the powers the governments can and cannot have. More principles of government. Separation of power. The government was split into three branches. The legislative branch, which writes, debates, and passes bills. The judicial branch, which interprets the nation's laws. And the executive branch, which makes sure that the laws are obeyed. Federalism. Power is divided between the state and the federal governments. Checks and balances. One branch can overrule the other branch. For example, if the legislative branch ascertained too much power, then the judicial branch could shut them down. Individual rights. People are entitled to personal rights, protection, and equality under the law. Anatomy of the Constitution. The Preamble. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, insecure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. The Articles. Article 1 establishes the legislative branch. Article 2 establishes the executive branch, and Article 3 establishes the judicial branch. The Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights is a list of rights meant to oppose tyranny from England. There are 10 amendments to the Bill of Rights. These are basic liberties, the right to bear arms, non-housings of soldiers, protection against unwarranted searches, natural rights, trial by jury, civil cases, no torture, and powers/rights kept by the states and the people. And that's the end.